say that kids like me don't belong here. But that's ridiculous. This is the only home I ever known. I'm just like your daughter. My name is Areli and I'm a daughter of immigrants. My parents came here from Mexico. I am an American citizen because I was born here. My mom and my dad worked so hard for me. They made sure that I have a better life. They helped me live my dreams. They helped me be a better person. I don't know why people say that we should leave. I don't know why people say that we should leave if we belong here. And if my mom and dad ever leave, I want to be there for them. I am an American citizen. When I grow up, I hope to be the President of the United States. And it's all because of my parents. And I believe I can do it. We need each other. We're one family, one country. Protect our future and protect our America. Apply for citizenship now and do it for kids like me.